said Jamaican, we are alive. See? They are walk down on the beach now early morning. Yeah. Chad from Mommy Bay side. Go down. Go on the beach side, go on the beach front. Yeah, I did want to see if I get some fish this morning before I go up in the restaurant. That was me. You know? That was it. So, the journey to the beach, not too far, less than 5 minutes walk from the street where they in Mommy Bay. So, you know people, good place to be. Mommy Bay. But still have to be careful because the streets sticky, you know? Yeah. So I did want to go get some fish this morning. Cook them at the restaurant, but it never work out. Yeah. Good old Rami goat. Go down there, just enjoy the beauty of the water for 110 or 115 minutes. Because can't do nothing better now. Go up on the work by say 8 o'clock, I have to reach down on the work. So just walk, go take a look. See what I go on. Yeah. Well, seems like them finally go build a hotel over that side there. So, see a thing or so. Let me say, just a walk, go see if me catch look like beauty and sunshine. Yeah. See if me see a fisherman, see if me can get some fish for tomorrow. Cook down at a restaurant. So. Just there, I try the right thing. Well, as you can see, I got 2 fishermen down there, so I show about. Fisherman in little cottage that. Yeah, fisherman and fisherwoman. Can't fight it. Yo, me Jenna. That's what I say. Come to enjoy the beauty of the water. Yeah. My little places how I grow up differently. My little place is how I grow up differently. Not so bad. Just look on the beauty of the sunshine on the water. That I villa them up on the top there. Nice little place you can get for rent. Basically, most like that. Yes, here you go. Can't fight it cause this is it, you know? Don't you sell like us to buy that piece of property over there, so I'm gonna build up some room, some Yeah. If I'm away now, try to go further out. As I say, they enjoy the beauty of Wagwan. You know, as you can see. Nice, clear, clean, pretty water. Yeah, people not just have to come down and just come enjoy the beauty of it. Water not so clear today, but not so bad. Yeah. Well, I know. Nothing better to do in the morning. I just go to work. Walk come down from the beach.